What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got my hands on this gesture sensing stunt car. Well, not only the name, the functionality of this stunt car is awesome as well. I've seen a couple of videos over internet. I said I wanted to have this car for my son over this Christmas. So I said, why not share with my fellow subscriber and the viewers of my channel. As you can tell by the packaging, this stunt car is for age 6 and plus. So here we have some of the cool features which are offered by this stunt car, starting with the music, cool lighting, traverse, 2.4 GHz remote control, bionic joint, magnums wheels, durable battery life, come with the 7.4 volt 1200 milliampere hour, which will last you about 35 minutes as per specification, but that is too ambitious. I would go with the 30 minutes is enough for me to enjoy this whole ride. Next one is a 360-degree rotation at one location. Well, if you have been following me on YouTube, you should know by now that I tend to go extra mile, showing each and everything to the viewers, that what they are expecting from the product and what they're going to get in the end. So it will make their decision way easier, that is this thing for them or not. To start with, we're going to have a look into what comes with this stunt car, following with the demonstration, and by the end of it, without my conclusion even, you will have an idea, is this car for your loved ones or not. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. Our packaging includes one user manual which is completely in Chinese language. So technically you're going to watch this whole video me showing you each and everything about it. Two USB chargers, one for the battery of your car, another one for the gesture control. One standard 2.4 GHz remote control which takes two AA batteries and they are not included. Gesture controller, we'll look into the features of it later in the video. One 7.4 1300 milliampere hour lithium-ion battery. Now in last but not least, our stunt car, where on the top of it you got a speaker and the lighting all around it. And this stunt car is also 4-wheel drive and the wheels are fantastic and the new ones as well, which can do quite a lot. Now under the base of car you have a compartment where you're going to install your batteries. Now if we closely look into the wheels, they are magnum wheels. That means it can do the traverse action from standing position, which makes it very unique and versatile. Now from the build quality point of view, it looks all fantastic, to be honest with you. You can see it all yourself. It all looks very durable in build. Now when you charge the wristband controller with respective USB charging adapter, you're going to see the solid blue light on it while it's charging, and the light go off once the charging is completed. And with car battery, while charging, you're going to see flashing green light on it. Once completely charged, there will be solid green light. Now installing the batteries in the remote control, which only requires two AA batteries, is very easy and straightforward. Only thing you need is a screwdriver. Now same thing also applies to the car battery as well. Once it's fully charged, you need to open up this compartment using the Phillips screwdriver and connect and install your battery right in this compartment and secure it by using the screwdriver. Now just before going ahead with the demonstration, let's have a quick look and explain that how remote controls are working. Now on the car itself you have on and off button. Flick it to the on, you're going to hear immobilizer sound, that car is ready, and all LED lights on the top will be illuminating as well, which are indicating that that is the front of the car. And we have two remote controls for this car. One is a hand gesture, another one is this standard one. Now let's have a look into the standard feature, which is like forward and reverse, turning around, and the dancing button is also there as well, and the bionic. Now let's turn it on. It also comes with the annoying sound as well, which I don't like, to be honest with you, but that's what it is. Now forward and reverse. Now sideways. As a bionic feature. Now the dance. You can also turn off that annoying music on the car by press and hold on this dancing button for a little longer, and that's it. Now just before we had the car on the decking, which was pretty slippery, let's have a look into the grass now. There you go. Whoa, it's not that bad operation. Now the working of hand gesture remote control, which is very easy and straightforward as far as I think. First of all, you need to make sure when you power this hand gesture remote control, your hand has to be straight in line. Now you need to turn on car. Now the remote control. You heard that now, guys? Now see that. Ooh. Now the functionality of this finger button. This. Oh, look at this. Now it's time for real demonstration. I handed over remote to my son. He's going to play with this car. Go. Now with the hand gesture remote control, it's more or less like a monkey. You can tell him to stand up or sit down. It just works great. Go forward, go backwards, or whatever I've said just did. It just worked great. You can turn around by pressing this. Ooh, look at that. It just all works. Now here I am on a conclusion. This RC stunt car with the dancing, lighting and hand gesture feature is fantastic. And if you're thinking of buying this one for your loved one over this Christmas or even as a birthday gift, it's a fantastic idea, to be honest with you. I got at least about 30 minutes of playtime out of it, and it's still got a little bit of battery left in there. I can still enjoy it if I want to. Wheels really get dirty and they are rough and tough as well. You can't use it much on the slippery surface, but running on terrain like a grass or not a slippery decking, the one I have actually didn't work very well. On the grass it works well, on the mud it works perfect, to be honest with you. On carpet is awesome as well. The hand gesture controller is a bit flimsy, but you got to do a bit of practice on it. Obviously the practice will make you perfect. All right, Other than that, everything is fantastic. I would highly recommend you this one if you're looking for a fantastic gift for your loved one. That would be all from my side. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you still have any reservation, use the comment section down below for anything you wanted to know about this product. So see you then, guys. See you in next one. Bye for now.